नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एनकावंटर कार्यावळीन सांखळे आशिल्ले गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट ग्लोबली म्हणजे अख्ख्या संवसारान पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट रेटिंगान 4 जी बी स्कूल्स आसा तांच्या मदीं आयिल्ले आसा. राज्या खातीर ही अभिमानाची गजाल, कारण हें इन्स्टिट्यूट समाजाक कितें तरी दिता परत हें इस्टाब्लीश जालां. सध्या पॅन्डेमिकाच्या काळान बी स्कुलांचे फुडें चॅलेंजीस कितें आसा, बिझनेस स्कुलांच्या मदीं चॅलेंजीस कितें आसा, बिझनेस स्कुलांतले भुरगे एंटरप्रेनर जावपाक सोदता काय खंय तरी वचून नोकरी सोदून आपूण एक स्थान घेवपाक सोदता, ह्या विशयाचेर आनी हेल्थ कॅरा विशयी आमी जे इतले वाडोवन दवरला पॅन्डेमीक लागून हेल्थ कॅर, ताजो फुडें फायदो जातलो काय ना हे जाणा जावन घेवपा खातीर आमी सांखळे आयिल्ले आसा. आनी आमचे बरोबर आसा अजीत परळेकर, डिरेक्टर, गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट. तांकां आमी मेळटले. देव बरें करूं सर, तुमी वेळ दिलो म्हणून. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सध्या आतां जे रेटींग आयिल्लें आसा पळय, आनी गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट हेज बीन रेटेड एज वर्ल्ड्स 4th बेस्ट इन्स्टिट्यूट एज फार एज पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट रेटींग इज कन्सर्न. आतां सामान्य लोकांक जर कळपा जाय वॉट इज दीस, कारण आमचे गोंयकारांकूच कळपा जाय की आमचे हांगा गोंयान आशिल्ले इन्स्टिट्यूट जगान चवथे आयला. वॉट डज इट मीन?
See, a lot of ratings that are there are basically looking at the best in the world. Right? This is the first worldwide rating which is looking at what is best for the world.
म्हणजे आमी जगाक कितें दितात.
जगाक कितें दिता. आतां कितें जाता, if you look at most of the business schools will produce people who pass out from business schools will eventually become vice presidents, CEOs, heads of all top companies. आमचे कितें आसा, एक 5,000 students who passed out. They are in all leading companies in the country. 700-800 are worldwide. Now, when they get into companies, most companies, they are in a bad name sometimes because they are only looking at one objective, which is profit and wealth. Right? Which is good, not bad.
स्वताक कितें फायदो जातलो आनी स्वताक कितें जावप ताजेर.
पण कितें आसा, हे डेव्हलपमेंट जी आसा ती ऑलरावंड आसपाक जाय. इट कांट बी दॅट ओनली द कंपनी मेड मनी. इट हॅज टू बी कंपनी मेड मनी. दे प्रोटेक्टेड द एनवायरमेंट. They made sure that there was, social justice was there. And that's what's important for business. If leaders of business don't do these things, then who else will? So therefore, what they are looking at in this is they are saying positive impact rating was created to make sure that institutions, business schools who produce leaders are making well-rounded leaders. Leaders will take care of climate change. Leaders will take care of income disparities. Leaders will take care that आमचे कशे sustainable development goals आसा, 17 of them. Who will deliver on them? So who will deliver? It's not the government's job alone. It is the job of every citizen. It is the job of companies.
सो आमी जेन्ना आतां स्टेट आमची बेस्ट एज फार एज नीती आयोग म्हणटा पळय ऑन सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट गोल्स 17 गोल्स आसा, तातूंत आमचें बी कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसता की आमी कशें वागतात ताजेरूय जज जाता.
आसता. आमी कशें वागता त्याच्यावर खूब फायदो आसा, खूब खूब फरक पडटा ताका. बिकॉज कितें म्हणटा आतां जशें इफ यू आर लुकिंग एट एनर्जी, आर यू युजींग रिन्युएबल एनर्जी, दॅट इज वन ऑफ देम. हाव यू आर युजींग वॉटर, एक्सेस टू वॉटर एंड यूज ऑफ वॉटर. कितें जाता, इफ इट इज नॉट प्रॉपरली यूज्ड, इफ यू आर युजींग, इफ युअर कार्बन फुटप्रिंट इज व्हेरी हाय, ते आमच्या हातीन आसा.
आपूण कसो जगता.
करेक्ट. सेग्रिगेशन ऑफ वेस्ट, तेजे 17 SDG गोल्स आसा. All of them are not for others to do. Many of them are there where we ourselves can directly contribute in our own sphere of work.
सो फाल्यां जेन्ना सरकार क्रेडीट घेता तेन्ना आमी इक्वल क्रेडीट घेवपाचें की आमच्या खातीर हें जालें.
ऑफकोर्स आमी क्रेडीट घेवपाक जाय.
पेड्यार जाल्यार आमीच घेवपाचें.
करेक्ट.
बोथ वेज इट इज.
करेक्ट.
ओके, सो हें आतां पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट रेटींग तुमकां जे 4th बेस्ट इन दी वर्ल्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू UN मेळ्ळें आसा तें आशिल्ल्या स्टुडंटांक लागून मेळ्ळा की जे हांगा पास आउट जावन गेले आनी तांणी काम केलें ताका लागून मेळ्ळा.
आणि एक वन गुड अदर पार्ट अबाउट दिस पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट रेटिंग इज इट इज बाय द स्टुडंट्स फॉर द स्टुडंट्स. म्हणजे कितें, रेटींग जे आसा, नॉर्मली रेटिंग्स विल बी इन्स्टिट्यूट विल प्रोवायड डेटा, तसो ना हांगा. दे विल कॉन्टॅक्ट स्टुडंट्स एंड दे विल आस्क स्टुडंट्स, आर यू लर्निंग वॉट इज यू थिंक इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द वर्ल्ड? डू यू थिंक दीज स्किल सेट्स विल हेल्प यू नॅविगेट थ्रू लायफ? दॅट इज वॉट दे आस्क देम. खरें म्हटल्यार वाय एम रियली हॅपी, इट्स अ पॅन्डेमीक इयर. इन अ पॅन्डेमीक इयर तुमकां खबर आसा, student morale will be as low as possible because students were supposed to be on campus, they were supposed to have the social experience. They in a year like that also when they do this, that really is something that is very creditable. So is it for je rating मेळ्ळा, that is based on what existing students are saying, but it is based on what the institute has been doing all along. 3 मेजर क्रायटेरिया आसता. एक जे आसा ते एनर्जायझिंग, म्हणजे गव्हर्नन्स स्ट्रक्चर तुमचो कसो आसा, What is the culture that the institute has? Dusra, education. In education, they're saying the educating part is what kind of learning programs you have. What is the kind of methodology that you require? And third is engaging. So what is it, are you, how much of you as an institute are a role model? And the second part is what do you do for public engagement? All these combined. And therefore, it is to do with how students see the programs that the institute does and what's their reflection.
So this also means that GIM is doing something for the society through students, is it?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
म्हणजे समाजा खातीर कितें तरी भुरग्यांच्या थ्रू करता.
दोन थिंग सांगता. एक कितें आमचो एक प्रोग्राम आसा गिव गोवा म्हणून. आतां 10 वर्सां जालीं ताका. इन गिव गोवा एवरी सिंगल फर्स्ट इयर स्टुडंट स्पेंड्स एवरी थर्सडे, नॉट इन अ पॅन्डेमिक, सद्या ना ते हांगा. एवरी थर्सडे दे स्पेंड विथ वन ऑर्गनायझेशन इन गोवा फॉर 20 वीक्स इन द इयर, म्हणजे 20 दिवसां दिता ती. And they will work with places like Goa, there are very nice organizations, Sangat, Setu, the Zonal Agricultural Office, ICAR, various schools over here. Every Thursday they'll go and work on a program for them on either doing something that's good for the society. That's why we call it Give Goa. ते आमचे students करता. As a role model, what we do is, if you look at our entire campus, there's rainwater harvesting. We have rainwater harvesting ponds here. We have, aerated water faucets, so lesser utilization of water. So, just solar new hai kela, 675 kilowatt of solar for generating energy. All our water heater systems are solar heating. All our lighting, every lighting fixture is an LED lighting fixture. आमच्याकडे जे waste segregation असा, ते 4-way waste segregation. We have our own dry waste shed, our own wet waste, no single-use plastics on campus. All water glass bottle refilled from AquaGuard. Now, all these things we do is not for us only to do. Demonstration effect asa. Students je paitale, when they go back in their respective companies, if they bring this about, the kind of social change
it becomes part of their lifestyle.
Absolutely.
Also. Okay, दुसरी गजाल म्हणजे challenges right now in front of B school. आम्ही आता बिझनेस स्कूल पळयता आसतना खुबशे फावटी पळयता की हो भुरगो पास जातलो आनी खंयचे तरी बऱ्या हातून खंय तरी बऱ्या पोस्टाचेर जॉयन जातलो म्हणून. पूण सद्या आमकां तें नाका. सद्या जाय की हो भुरगो पास आवट जावन कितें तरी एंटरप्रेनरशीप करून 4 लोकांक जॉब दितलो म्हणून. इज इट हॅपनिंग?
Yes, it is. So actually, what we did was, today people who go either to engineering colleges to study or they come to business school, today the top aspiration is not getting into consulting companies. The today top aspiration is starting their own businesses. So that is one good thing that's happened in society.
आपलो धंदो सुरू करपाचो आसता.
तांकां ती एस्पिरेशन आसा. ती एस्पिरेशन, दॅट इज द बिगेस्ट एस्पिरेशन. आमी कितें केलां, 5 वर्सां पयलीं वी डिसायडेड दॅट वी शूड हेल्प दॅट आउट. सो वी एस्टॅब्लिश्ड अटल इनोवेशन सेंटर हियर. सो इन द इन्क्युबेशन सेंटर, दिस इज फंडेड बाय नीती आयोग अँड बाय GIM बोथ. आमकां त्याच्यातून GIM डजंट गेट एनी फायदो इन टर्म्स, इट्स नॉट एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, देर इज नो रिटर्न फायनान्शियल एट ऑल. इट्स ओनली मनी दॅट वी हॅव टू पुट इन. बट students who have their ideas, they get their access to mentors, investors. ते सगळे आम्ही करता. Now we have 31 startups who are working with GIM, including some of our student startups, but many of them from all across the country. We are tying up with different organizations. Just yesterday I went to, with our latest kind of tie-up. There is an institution in Goa called Kamakshi Institute for Culinary Arts. With them we are setting up something called Fierce Kitchens, which is a cloud kitchen where entrepreneurs in Goa can come use that facility. We'll bring mentors from across the country, we'll bring investors, and we are a top business school. We will train these people on the kind of skill set they have to make viable businesses. And there, of course, the big satisfaction is, you start your own dhando, you're creating wealth, you're able to give jobs to so many more.
You're boss of your own.
Absolutely.
गोंयान कितले उरता काय गोंया भायर कितले वता?
जे एक आसा गोंयान जे उरता, आय विल गिव अ इंटरेस्टिंग गजाल. Out of all our Goenkar students who come to GIM, not a very large number, around 10% of our students, roughly 30-40 every year, after they pass out, they're smart students. They will get jobs into Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Citibank, Hindustan Lever, top companies in the country. But you know how Goans are. Goa gives you a lifestyle that no other place gives. After some years, they want to come back. The reality is, in terms of jobs, Goa doesn't provide the same quality of jobs to students who pass out from GIM. Not only in terms of money, but also in terms of the kind of work that they can do. There's a lot of the work in corporate headquarters. A large percentage of Goans who pass out from GIM, they come back. 75% of those who come back have set up their own businesses.
हांगाच गोंयांत गेला.
कितले तुम्ही म्हणा खंयची सेक्टर घ्या. So you have whether people who are doing, selling grains, to doing farming, to running restaurants, to art galleries, to financial advisory, सगळे types of businesses आमची alumni हांगा चलयत.
आतां हांगा ती एक हें जालें पॅन्डेमिकाक लागून की लज म्हणटा ती गेली. पयलीं लोकांक लज दिसताली की बारीक बारीक बिझनेस करपा खातीर. आमी पॅन्डेमिकान हें शिकले की खंयचोय बिझनेस हो व्हडलोच बिझनेस आसता म्हणून.
Absolutely.
Has it also changed the entire shift is towards this kind of business?
I don't know really. I don't know whether it has really moved to all of those kind of businesses. But what is increasingly happening is setting up businesses is now being seen. See, Goa was not a place that was not like Gujarat. I did my first masters in Gujarat. Thai kite asa, nobody was interested in job. Everybody wanted to set up their own businesses.
Gujarat is the best.
Goa was opposite. Goa, nobody wanted to do a business. Everybody wanted to go and get a job. They changed ata. Today you find a lot of the youth in Goa also. Now, there was one of these organizations in Goa that called me to speak as a chief guest somewhere. And I asked them, how many of you want to start up their businesses? 75% of young people who are undergraduates, they wanted to start their own businesses. So that is a societal change that is happening.
It's positive thing.
Absolutely, it is very positive.
जेन्ना तुमी म्हणटा की कॉर्पोरेट हांगा भुरग्यांक कॉर्पोरेटान काम करपाक भायर वचचें पडटा बिकॉज देर आर नो कॉर्पोरेट हेडक्वॉर्टर्स हियर. डू यू फोरसी की येता त्या कांय वर्सां भितर गोवा ऑल्सो वील हॅव ऑल द कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसीस बिकॉज वी हॅव द बेस्ट एनवायरमेंट फॉर वर्किंग, वी हॅव बेस्ट कनेक्टिविटी कम्पेर्ड टू अदर स्टेट्स ऑल्सो?
Yeah, so honestly, I don't see that happening. I don't see it for large corporates. I see it for niche corporates. म्हणजे कितें जाता, and wherever you find technology-led companies are there and smaller technology-led boutique firms, I think Goa is a fantastic place for that. And that's already happening. A lot of people are starting their businesses somewhere and then coming, to Goa and setting up where location doesn't really matter. But a lot of other corporates, location matters, size matters. Goa, and that's one of the challenges there. Size is a problem because, we don't have that kind of land bank that is available for corporates to come in. And you also need the support. No, means if you have a large corporate, you will need to have all the top financial companies, all the top supporting, advertising firms, all of that, infrastructure needs to be there. That's very difficult for Goa to be able to match up.
There is no ecosystem to support it.
Yes, and it's very difficult for that ecosystem to come in place. What Goa does need to look at in attracting, I think, is the smaller boutique firms, which can create a lot of value. Pollution kind of is very low. Land requirements are very low. But there is one thing where, I think, I must say I can use the opportunity. The government of Goa needs to do one thing, is provide high quality internet and telecommunication facilities. If you don't have that, this is the only thing you need for getting this kind of investment. That's something we need to have. We must plan, to have better internet than Bangalore and Hyderabad and places like that, or at least at par with them. If you're able to do that.
Material for such kind of.
That's the raw material for this. If that doesn't happen, then we can't get this kind of niche, high value investment. And that's fantastic in terms of an innovation environment. I think Goa has that opportunity.
Okay, another healthcare, and we have seen your profile. You also have done in healthcare. Your research is in healthcare. So आता हे सगळे हेल्थकॅरा वटेनूच वता बिकॉज ऑफ पॅन्डेमीक. समवेअर डावन द लायन पॅन्डेमीक वील बी ओवर. सो डू यू थिंक दॅट हेल्थकॅरानूच खूब इन्वेस्टमेंट, खूब लोक जातले आनी मागीर बाकीच्या सेक्टरान प्रॉब्लम जावपाक शकता?
Nah, I don't think so. In fact, if you look at in the Indian context, the underspend on healthcare is just too much. On an average, any country that has a reasonably good healthcare system spends between 6% to around 11% of its GDP. Those who are spending 6% are small countries like Singapore and Taiwan, and for them with small spend it is possible. The moment you have geographical larger countries, you cannot do in that kind of spend. So we should be spending, the top countries are spending, 8-9%. India should at least be spending 5 to 6%. We are barely spending 1% on, the government funds. Barely 1% goes on healthcare.
One is spending, another is a workforce that you are creating.
No, I agree. But see, if the money is not there, then the workforce is not going to be there. So when I'm saying this, GIM runs India's best healthcare management program. And therefore, we have 60 people who pass out every year. They get picked up by a lot of companies here. I just think if the investment doesn't come in, you will find the job creation cannot happen. If the job creation cannot happen, the facilities have to be there. So any count you take, whether you look at the number of hospital beds, number of doctors, number of nurses per 1,000 population, we are far lower than what the WHO average should be for a country like India.
What about Goa?
Goa is significantly better in that sense. Goa, actually, we should be replicating the model of either Singapore or Taiwan, wherein 4 to 6% of GDP spend, you are able to give fantastic. See, you have a Goa Medical College in the super specialty that they've just opened. That's good enough for the entire state. For large states like, let's say, UP, you can't do one center. You have to have multiple places because access and things like that will be there. So Goa already has a very good healthcare system compared to the rest of the country. So what GIM does is we are doing, WHO has engaged us for studying the Ayushman Bharat, the PMJ scheme in different states of the country. So we are able to see what the performance is. The last NFHS was done. We did some of the states, including Goa, the last NFHS survey we did for Goa. And it is true that Goa does quite well on most of the parameters for healthcare. But there is a lot of scope for doing much more.
But also, yeah, the bed capacity वाढेला. फाले pandemic गेले की you might not even require that bed capacity, especially in government sector.
No, correct, but bed capacity, the organic bed capacity, vadokna, they've made only temporary facilities. See, the permanent facilities, we still not added the kind of permanent facility that is required for, I think for every 1,000 people, you need to have 0.9 beds. We still don't touch that 0.9 for every other. The other thing is there is, that's the overall average. Spread also has to be there. See, it has to also be that the bed should be closely accessible to people. Goa, luckily, access becomes easier because from any corner of Goa to reach even, say, GMC will be 60-70 kilometers, maximum.
Yeah. So you think this is a wise investment that they have done?
I think so, and I don't think it's a short-term kind of investment. But no matter how much you invest, so the United States, with its GDP being so much, GDP per capita being so much higher than India, it spent 17% of its GDP on healthcare. Despite that, the challenges they faced. So if you have a pandemic-like situation where the requirement becomes 100 times the regular requirement, it's impossible for any system to expand that much. A system can expand maybe 30, 40, 50% more than what the capacity is. It can't go 10 times, 20 times and 30 times.
Okay, last question. Now, the GIM has earned this reputation of being 4th best in the world as far as this rating is.
No, so it is the best. We are 4 institutes together as the best.
Okay, 4 institutes together as the best. Like you are the first in all.
Yes.
Okay, so there is sense of satisfaction. So what next for GIM now?
Yeah, so this is not, getting this ranking is not the end. It is just one recognition for the good work that we do. In the good work that we are doing, we are far from where we see our destination as such. Whilst we have done a lot of things on management and responsibility and research, and we do all of that, we still think there is so much more opportunity. We still feel that the kind of work that we started doing, right, like the Give Goa, for example, I take. Why should it be only Goa? We are open to do it all across the country. Online programs, because of the pandemic, one great advantage is online education is now going to be the next big thing. And that's something, there's a lot of opportunity. And then
for B schools?
Absolutely. So the last whole year, all our classes happened online and we did a fabulous job with that. But what happens, see, if a student has to come and study in a business school like ours, the cost of doing an MBA will be around, between 18 to 20 lakhs. Now, if you have 80% of that delivered online, the cost can come from 20 lakhs to, let's say, 4 lakh rupees or 3 lakh rupees.
Affordable.
And therefore, the affordability and access will improve substantially. And therefore, I do think there's a lot of value in that.
Are you also looking at going online often now, even post-pandemic? Or you will call your students back to the campus?
So we will, of course, bring our students back to campus, but life will not be the same. I mean, we will not have 100% on campus only. Even when they are on campus, there are certain advantages that online bring in, and there are a lot of advantages. There are a lot more advantages which face-to-face bring in. So the social interaction, we have students from all 28 states over here, and therefore the likelihood of bumping into each other at the canteen, having different people, understanding about different cultures, that's a phenomenal experience which will continue. So what we expect now is, earlier we had 100% face-to-face. Now even when students are on campus, we'll probably have 70% face-to-face and 30% online. The advantages are there, no? Anytime you can learn, recorded lectures available, you can do a revision without the teacher being there in class. There are a lot of advantages there.
Okay. देव बरें करूं सर. थँक्यू व्हेरी
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. थँक्यू. माय प्लेजर.
गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंटान चार ज्यो बी स्कूल्स आसा ती वन ऑफ दी फायनेस्ट इन पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट रेटिंगान जाले एज पर UN सर्वे. आनी ताजे उपरांत गोंयाकूय हे अभिमानाची गजाल, कारण गोंयान साखळे इन्स्टिट्यूट चलता. जशें तांणी म्हटलें तशें ऑनलायन क्लासीस जाल्ल्या कारणान घडये भुरगे हांगा एकमेकाक मेळना, पूण जेन्ना ऑफलायन आसता तेन्ना 28 राज्यांतले भुरगे हांगा येवन एकमेकाक मेळटा, एकमेका बद्दल जाणा जावन घेता. इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट लर्निंग बिजनेस ऑर सिलेबस, बट ऑल्सो लर्निंग अबाउट इच अदर्स कल्चर. आनी दुसरी म्हत्वाची गजाल, हेल्थ कॅर सॅक्टरान जो इन्वेस्टमेंट सद्या जाल्लो आसा तो वेस्ट वचचो ना. ते म्हणटा की फुडारान गरज पडली जाल्यार त्या एक्सपान्शना खातीर बरो पडटा, कारण एक्झिस्टींग जेन्ना आमचे कडेन गजाली आसता तेन्ना एक्सपान्शनाक चड मदत जाता. तुम्ही पळयतात हब एनकाउंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewshub.com. वी शूट दिस इन एसोसिएशन विथ goabyline.com. कीप वॉचिंग.